Raspberry Pi 27-watt USB-C power supply. The Raspberry Pi 27-watt USB-C power supply is designed for Raspberry Pi 5, ideal for powering high-power peripherals like hard drives and SSDs via its 4 Type-A USB ports. It also supports third-party PD-compatible devices with power profiles of 9V 3A, 12V 2.25A, and 15V 1.8A, delivering a maximum of 27W. Input voltage 100 to 240 volts alternating current. Input AC frequency 50 to 60 Hz. Output voltage 5.1 volt. Output current 5 ampere. Output power 25.5 watt.
Available now at Tanna TechBiz. Ready to elevate your projects? Order today.